Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today on the most interesting channel we're going to show you those keyboard shortcuts or hotkeys that will surely reduce your efforts and also save you time. Some of them you probably don't even know, but really should, because they are very useful. Let's start. I would like to start with something extremely mind-blowing. Did you know that Windows 10 and 11 has a hidden emoji picker that you can use in any application, even desktop programs like Google Chrome? So, here it is. In Windows, during text entry, press the secret hotkey, Windows key plus period, full stop, or Windows key plus semicolon, and the emoji picker keyboard will appear. Typing either of these keyboard shortcuts will bring up an inline emoji picker, complete with search field. You can use this shortcut in any application, from text fields in your web browser to email applications to Microsoft Word, Excel, and even Notepad. Cool! Watch the video until the end and you'll be surprised to discover some keyboard shortcuts you didn't even know existed. Let's continue with the following keyboard shortcuts that are extremely useful, but also the most common, with a few surprises for you. Copy. In Windows, press Ctrl plus C, or Ctrl plus Insert. In Mac, Command plus C. This is the most common keyboard shortcut and is used to copy highlighted text or other object to the clipboard in a graphical user environment. Cut. In Windows, press Ctrl plus X. In Mac, Command plus X. This is a keyboard shortcut often used to cut a selected section of text, file, image, or other object. Paste. In Windows, press Ctrl plus V, or Shift plus Insert. In Mac, Command plus V. This keyboard shortcut is used to paste a file, text, literally anything in any program from the clipboard. But, did you know that you can also use those paste options too? Did you know the new more advanced Windows Clipboard History feature? In Windows, just press Windows logo key plus V. You only have to enable this feature in Settings. Select Start Settings System Clipboard. To get to your clipboard history at any time, press Windows logo key plus V. From the clipboard history, you can paste and pin frequently used items by choosing an individual item from your clipboard menu. Pinning an item keeps it from being removed from the clipboard history to make room for new items. Clipboard history first appeared in Windows 10's October 2018 update, version 1809. Did you know that you can paste text without formatting, only as plain text? In Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. In Microsoft Word, Ctrl plus Shift plus V doesn't work. Instead, you'll need to use a special option in the ribbon menu. To do so, switch to the Home tab and click Paste, then select the icon that looks like a clipboard with an A on it, keep text only, which will paste without formatting. Undo. In Windows, press Ctrl plus C. If you mistakenly did something, you can use this keyboard shortcut to undo your last action. You can reverse more than one action. Redo. In Windows, press Ctrl plus Y or Ctrl plus Shift plus Z to reverse your last undo. You can reverse more than one action that has been undone. You can use Redo command only after Undo command. Select all. In Windows, press Ctrl plus A. In Mac, Command plus A. To perform a function on all the content in the text editor, you need to select it all. This keyboard shortcut is often used to select all text, files, pictures, or other objects while in a graphical user environment. For text, place the cursor anywhere in the text editor and press Ctrl plus A. For files, place the cursor anywhere in the folder and press Ctrl plus A. Save a document or file. In Windows, press Ctrl plus S. However, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to save current data under a different name. It's similar to the File Save As function. The file name associated with the data changes to the new name. Open Find command. In Windows, press F3 or Ctrl plus F. In Mac, Command plus F. In your operating system, document, web browser, even in a PDF, pressing the Ctrl key plus the F key will bring up a search box usually in the top right corner of the screen of an application that is active at the moment. You can then type in a keyword or phrase to find places where that word or phrase is used in the text, often helpful for locating relevant sections. You can also select Find under the Edit menu of your browser or application. Select or highlight multiple files and folders or other objects at once. You can use a combination of selecting multiple files or folders and single files or folders at the same time by following the steps below. In Windows Explorer or any other application, click the first file or folder you want to select. Hold down the Shift key, select the last file or folder, and then let go of the Shift key. Hold down the Control key and click any other file or folder you would like to add to those already selected. Holding Control and clicking a file or folder a second time deselects the file or folder. After the files or folders are highlighted, they can be copied, moved, deleted, or compressed into a single archive file. Close the currently application or active window. In Windows, press Alt plus F4 or Control plus F4. Laptop users may need to press the Fn key in addition to Alt plus F4 or Control plus F4 to use this shortcut. But, what is the difference between Alt F4 and Control F4? The main function of Alt plus F4 is to completely close the application you're using, while Control plus F4 just closes the current window or a tab of the application you're viewing. If an application uses a full window for each document, then both the shortcuts will function in the same way. For example, in Microsoft Word, Control plus F4 will close the current document after prompting you to save changes. However, Alt plus F4 will exit Microsoft Word altogether after closing all open documents. Most of us know how to delete a file or folder using the Delete key. Locate the item you want to delete, highlight it by left-clicking the file or folder with your mouse once, and press Delete. Deleted files or folders go to the recycle bin, which you can empty later. However, did you know that you can prevent highlighted files or folders from going to the recycle bin when deleted? Just hold down Shift while pressing Delete and they will be permanently deleted, bypassing the recycle bin. Print. In Windows, press Ctrl plus P. In Mac, Command plus P. This keyboard shortcut opens the print menu or print preview window for the current page in your browser, text document, image. Many browsers now also give you the option to save the print preview as a PDF as well. Help. In Windows, press F1 to view help information. F1 is used by almost every Windows program to display help. Rename a selected file. In Windows, select a file or folder and press F2, or you can right-click on the item and select Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Refresh the current program window. In Windows, press F5. F5 is a standard page reload. Control plus F5 refreshes the page by clearing the cached content of the page. Having the cursor in the address field and pressing Enter will also do the same as Control plus F5. New. In Windows, press Control plus N to create a new or blank document in some software, or open a new tab in most internet browsers. Open. In Windows, press Control plus O to open a file in the current software. Open the properties. In Windows, press Alt plus Enter to open the properties for the selected item, file, folder, shortcut, etc. Minimize the active program window. In Windows, press Windows key plus down arrow to minimize the active program window. Maximize the active program window. In Windows, press Windows key plus up arrow to maximize the active program window. Lock the computer. In Windows, press Windows key plus L to lock the computer, requiring password entry to access again. There are many keyboard shortcuts that are very useful and facilitate our work on the computer. Unfortunately, we cannot include them all in this video. But we will introduce more keyboard shortcuts to you soon. Did any of these impress you? The truth is that the Windows Hidden Emoji Picker and Windows Clipboard History feature keyboard shortcuts are unknown to most computer users. In conclusion, let's see in a summary table all the 27 keyboard shortcuts we introduced you today. Windows 10 and 11 Hidden Emoji Picker Keyboard. In Windows, Windows key plus full stop or Windows key plus semicolon. Copy. In Windows, Control plus C or Control plus Insert. In Mac, Command plus C. Cut. In Windows, Control plus X. In Mac, Command plus X. Paste. In Windows, press Control plus V or Shift plus Insert. In Mac, Command plus V. New more advanced Windows Clipboard History feature. In Windows, just press Windows logo key plus V. Paste text without formatting, only as plain text. In Windows, press Control plus Shift plus V. Undo. In Windows, press Control plus Z. Redo. In Windows, press Control plus Y or Control plus Shift plus Z. Select all. In Windows, press Control plus A. In Mac, Command plus A. Save a document or file. In Windows, press Control plus S. Save under a different name, save as. In Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Open Find command. In Windows, press F3 or Ctrl plus F. In Mac, Command plus F. Select or highlight multiple files and folders or other objects at once. In Windows, click the first file or folder you want to select. Hold down Shift, select the last file or folder. Let go of Shift. Hold down Ctrl and click any other file or folder you want to add. Holding Ctrl and clicking a file or folder a second time deselects it. Completely close the currently application or active window. In Windows, Alt plus F4. Laptop users may need to press the Fn key in addition to Alt plus F4. Just close the current window or a tab of the application. In Windows, Ctrl plus F4. Laptop users may need to press the Fn key in addition to Ctrl plus F4. Delete. In Windows, locate the item you want to delete, highlight it by left-clicking the file or folder with your mouse once, and press Delete. Permanently delete bypassing the recycle bin. In Windows, hold down Shift while pressing Delete. Print. In Windows, press Ctrl plus P. In Mac, Command plus P. Help. In Windows, press F1. Rename a selected file. In Windows, select a file or folder and press F2, or you can right-click on the item and select Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Refresh the current program window. In Windows, press F5. New or blank document or new tab. In Windows, press Ctrl plus N. Open. In Windows, press Ctrl plus O. Open the properties. In Windows, press Alt plus Enter. Minimize the active program window. In Windows, press Windows key plus down arrow. Maximize the active program window. In Windows, press Windows key plus up arrow. Lock the computer. In Windows, press Windows key plus L. Did you find this video interesting? Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. Do you have any other interesting information to offer? Any question or any suggestion? Share it with us in the comments below. I'm sure you'll find many more interesting videos to watch on this channel. Thank you. See you next time.